Hello and welcome to a session on vitamin C. Let us know what is vitamin C, benefits, supplements, and best food sources. It's a natural immunity booster, protects us from diseases naturally. Vitamin C is a nature's gift to us. Vitamin C is found in almost all the vegetables and fruits. Yes, it's important for you to know about vitamin C and protect your immunity. This is more relevant in the current context of pandemic that's prevailing all over the world. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, is the most important water soluble nutrient to maintain our health and immunity system. The major benefits of vitamin C being overall development of the body tissues and boost metabolism. It helps in formation of collagen, which is essential building block for improving bone strength, wound healing, absorption of iron and boost immunity of course to fight diseases. And it's also antioxidant that cleanses and detoxifies. You get toxins into your body through the polluted air, pesticides, fertilizer, and the feed that is given to the cattle. There are some things which you can avoid, but ultimately, toxins reach your body, and you should have a way to detoxify your body for good health. And vitamin C helps in that part. Not just the vitamin C, but all the variants of the vitamins are vital nutrients for defending your body against all the diseases. You all well know that there is a diet called balanced diet that will include everything that your body needs. Only thing, if that balanced diet, the balance in the diet is disturbed, then you are inviting the troubles. The nature has given us everything. Fruits and vegetables, they contain the vitamin C in natural state. And it also provides the dietary fiber, calcium, folate, bioflavonoids and carotenoids. And these are all important for the well-being of our body. You know that humans cannot produce vitamin C in the body, but some animals like sheep, cheetah, elephant, they can produce vitamin C in their body. So they don't need any outside source for the vitamin C. And everyone says when a child is born, breast milk is the best milk. It contains all the nutrients, all the proteins, including the vitamin C, which is called the balanced diet or the complete food for the newborn baby. A newly born child receives all the nutrition that is required for the growth of the body. Right? If that state is maintained throughout, the world would have been a disease free world. But as you grow up, you ignore something, you don't maintain the balanced diet, and you get some habits, addictions that further deteriorate your body, leading to all the kinds of diseases, some lifestyle diseases. One best thing is our body is synchronous to the nature. The organic sources or the natural food sources are in very much sync with your body requirements and they get absorbed easily for the greater benefit of all the nutrients in your body. One should go for the vitamin supplements when they are having severe deficiency of that particular vitamin. You should go for the vitamin supplements or any other supplements when you have severe deficiency of that particular one. And if supplements are required, always prefer organic natural vitamin C supplements that are made from plant or animal based foods. So, when it comes to the supplements, it is nothing but isolated sodium or calcium ascorbate powder. The vitamin C supplements contain just the supplements. It doesn't contain the micronutrients, dietary fiber, or the phytochemicals that are abundant in the natural source. If you eat a mango, if you eat a pineapple, if you eat an apple, you have enough vitamin C that is required by your body. Then do we need really the supplements? Supplements treatment is not for long, it's only for short term, maybe for 2 to 4 weeks. After that, you should switch back to the natural sources, natural food sources. That we are going to cover in a moment. What are the best food sources? This is well asked question. You touch anything that's around you naturally, it contains vitamin C. Vitamin C from the food sources is all inexpensive and for it to enjoy good health, good immunity. Lemons, oranges, guava, grapefruit, papaya, muskmelon, kiwi, mango, grapes, and all berries, strawberry, cranberry, everything, and pineapple, watermelon, banana, and these all contain vitamin C. And vegetables, carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, broccoli, tomatoes, microgreens, and leafy vegetables, all these contain vitamin C. And vitamin C from these sources is well absorbed by the body. And in that case, do we need supplements? Is there any requirement for the supplements? Do you know how much vitamin C is required for an adult? That is just around 100 mg. And these are the sources, these are the fruits and vegetables and the vitamin C that it contains. The maximum vitamin C is in Ustikaya, that is Kamu Kamu. It's a full of vitamin C. And the next is Amla, Usiri, that contains 600 mg per 100 mg. If you take 15 to 20 grams, that is very small quantity. That is good enough for your daily needs of vitamin C. Next is Goa, Jamakaya. An apple sized guava can contain more than 200 mg of vitamin C. Even if you take half of one guava, that's enough to meet your daily requirements of vitamin C. And these are the other fruits and vegetables. Kiwi fruit. One fruit weighs around 100 grams and it gives around 100 mg of vitamin C. The others which are rich in vitamin C are broccoli, Brussels sprouts, in fact, any sprouts, bell peppers, papaya, strawberry, orange, lemon, cabbage, spinach, turnip, and potato. A potato also has vitamin C in that, apart from the carbohydrates. If you make juice out of 2 oranges or 2 lemons, that is good enough for your daily needs of vitamin C. Now, see, people are crazy about kiwi fruit, which is a rare fruit and very expensive fruit in Asian countries. There's an equivalent and better fruit than kiwi, that is guava, which is tasty and available at one tenth of the what kiwi fruit costs. Try to acquire the great nutrition from the locally available fruits. People running after the broccoli. So broccoli is expensive in Asian countries where there are a lot of equivalents which are inexpensive and provide great nutrition. I made beautiful video on getting great nutrition from the inexpensive locally available fruits and vegetables. Good health is not expensive, but it is your awareness that gives you great health. Thanks for watching.